Welcome to TechFinance Vision. Today, we're revealing the highest paying and most popular jobs in 2025, careers that are in demand, well-paid, and future-proof. Let's dive in. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning specialists. AI is booming, with salaries from 100K to 200K. Companies like Google and Microsoft are hiring fast. 2. Software app developers. Tech careers remain hot. Developers earn $70K, $150K, with remote opportunities worldwide. 3. Data scientists and analysts. Data drives decisions. Analysts earn $80K to $180K across finance, tech, and healthcare. 4. Digital marketing and e-commerce. Skilled marketers earn $50K to $120K, helping businesses grow online. 5. Finance and investment analysts. Love numbers? Analysts and investment managers can make $70K to $200K plus. Which career excites you most? Comment below. Subscribe to TechFinance Vision for weekly insights on money, tech, AI, and career growth. Hit the bell to stay updated.